Subhani and I'm a first year student of Bioengineering at MIT-ADT University. And about 1 year back, when I was giving my 12th grade board exams back in Saudi Arabia, I had begun correspondence with several universities in India, checking for which university had the best courses. And that is when I came across MIT-ADT University. And the fact that this happened to be my first pick was because this university was very apt with replies and provided me the precise information regarding all the admission procedures which I required, and no other university could provide me with this sort of information. Talking of my 1 year down the lane over here, I must say it's been an amazing experience. This university has a beautiful campus and it radiates with the ambience of education and learning and peace. Speaking of me, I come from the MIT School of Bioengineering Sciences and Research, which focuses primarily on providing students with first-hand training and education in this very field of bioengineering, where we focus on the intersection of biological sciences and technology in order to make the lives of people so much more better by revolutionizing contemporary medicine. And I must say the very advent of the School of Holistic Development in this university is a brainchild which focuses on how we can build a perfect personality with several abilities in every student. Talking of my 1 year down the lane, I must say that the very intersection of art, design and technology, along with national level sports facilities and holistic development, has brought out the best I could have, and my 1 year over here has been pretty amazing, and I'm sure I will have many more amazing experiences in the future.